Thanks for training with me. And don't forget to pick up copies of my books, Pilates for Athletes and Power Yoga for Athletes. The link to order both books is below. My friends, it's Coach Vigue on my deck in the rain. There's only one way to film, and that's outside. The water is quite refreshing. Get up, get up. This is your get up routine. This is your alarm clock. Lots of breath, lots of movement, lots of flow. What's your favorite song to listen to in the morning? I'll tell you mine at the end of this workout. All right, on your back. Let's drop the legs side to side. Back and forth. Breathe in the nose, out the nose. Use control. Focus on flow. And as always, when you move in the morning like this, when you're taking the time to flow, to work out, to exercise, you are setting a beautiful precedent for your day. It's just fantastic. So, bravo. One more time each side. We're going to keep on flowing, modify as needed. Bring your right leg up, left leg down. Let's take this leg back and forth. Bend the knee as needed. Inhale, center. Exhale, open to the side. Get some movement in the hips, in the low back. Inhale and exhale. Oh, this darn railing. How dare it impede my range of motion. Bring the leg up to the center. Stretch it out into a spider stretch. Big down the hamstring. And then, again, back and forth. Let's do that one more time. Stretch it out. Let's go to the other side. Left leg up. Whoop, scooch forward. Nice and wet. Yes. The water helps. It's a shower plus a workout. Oh. Back and forth. Extend this leg. Inhale, center. Exhale the side. Let's do the spider stretch. Lengthen. Activating the abdominals a little bit. Getting that lift. Peeling the spine off the mat. And then continue back and forth. Good. Mobility. One more time. Stretch it out. Spider stretch. First time doing spider stretch. I do not quote Goodfellas. Those of you who followed me for a while, you know what I'm talking about. Okay. Now, tabletop position. Let's get some fire into the midsection. Feet together, knees together. I'm talking too fast. I got excited. Reach forward. Engage the abdominals here. Shoulders back and down. You can also extend the legs out into a hollow back. I'm going to keep it right here. As you exhale, lift a little higher. Empty the lungs. In the nose, out the nose. Inhale, feel your body lift off the mat. Good. Bring some emphasis to the center of your body, of your being. Flatten those abs. Learn to pull that belly button into the spine on the exhales. One more time. Really working your breathing muscles, breathing outward. Okay, figure four with sway. Right ankle on the left thigh, right arm in between, left arm outside, head up or down, and rock the legs back and forth as you're pulling them towards you. Use the right elbow to open the hip and the glute and everything else in between. There we are. Back and forth. Forth and back, side to side. One more breath. Getting some balance here, some core work. And then switch sides. Begin when you're ready. Dig that elbow into the leg, and here we go. You want to start the day with a very happy and loose lower back. A tight lower back can really darken the day. Keep it very strict and tense. Makes you feel a lot older than you are. We don't like that. No, we don't. Okay, one more breath. We're going to move into downward facing dog. I call this the downward facing dog saunter. I just did it in my own workout at the gym. It felt phenomenal. So bring it up here. You can always hold down dog or bring the knees down into child's pose. For the saunter, well, you got to get a cowboy hat on. That's right. Or a cap. Bend the knees, and we're going to walk. Little walk here. So don't try to extend your leg all the way out. Little twist here. Saunter. That's right. Stretch out the arms, relax the shoulders, getting a good twist in the sides, churning the blood. Let's do 10 more. 1, 2, 3. Stay low. 4, 5, 6, 7. Blood into the brain. 8, 9, 10. Good. Kick the right foot forward. We're going to do a low lunge. Get a little blood out of the head there. And reach the right arm up. Nice twist. Let's do it back and forth. I want you to take the hands down, step it back, other foot forward, and reach up. You can also extend the back leg. Like so. Oh, that feels so good in the morning. Get the legs involved, get a twist. All this movement happening will enhance whatever else you're doing today, whether it's physical or mental. Let's do 4 more. Inhale, lift. Exhale as you travel to the other side. Flow it together nice and smooth. And left foot forward, or whatever one you have forward. A little split series here. Rock it forward, extend back, or drop that back knee and rock forward and back. This is a pyramid stretch here. This is a lunge with a nice push forward to stretch the quad and the knee. They teach a lot of different split variations, and I find the best way to move into them is with dynamic movement like this. All right, one more time. Bring it forward. Oh, so good. Stretch it back. And then when you're ready, switch to the other side. Begin the splits. Favorite morning song, have you thought about it? I wrote one down, but I suppose there's a few more. Do you sing it? Do you listen to it? Do you hum it? Do you think about it? One that I like to sing when I'm coming down the stairs is "Oh, What a Beautiful Morning" from Oklahoma. That's a good one. Nice and loud. Used to sing it for auditions. All right, bring it forward. Stretch, stretch, stretch. There it is. That's the stuff right there. That is the stuff that you hear about, all that stuff. Bring it back. Nice big stretch. And then come on down onto your stomach. Slide the hands back. Keep it here in a Cobra lift, gentle, or lift up into an up dog. You can add a little twist here if you like. Keep it loose though. Bend the knees a little bit. You want to keep any undue pressure off your low back. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, once more. Down dog if you want. You can saunter, or if you prefer, you can swagger. Look at this little movement, little twist. Good. Back and forth. Relax the shoulders. Stretch out the fingers. Big hands. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring the feet forward. Bend the knees as needed. We come to forward fold. Bend the knees. Hands can be up here, or drop it down, or wrap the arms around the legs. Your call. Decompress the spine. Now we're going to add some flop downs to this. Give me one more breath. Now inhale, rise up. Stack, stack, stack. Ooh, shoulders back. Bend the knees, flop it down. Your speed, however you want to go. You can take the arms up if you want to, and add an extra flop. Actually, I'm going to flop forward. This is the full one right here. You take the arms up and you bend the knees and down. 3 more, whichever one you got. Once more, get the energy, get the breath. And up and shake it out. Well done. Fantastic. This is your get up and go stretch. What's your favorite song to listen to in the morning? Oh, What a Beautiful Morning, or a morning song. I gotta say, Here Comes the Sun by the Beatles. That just captures the mood, doesn't it? Especially on a sunny day like today. Check in below. Let me know your song below. Good work from my deck. I'm gonna head over there now and play with Dane's pirate ship. Hey, it's Coach Vigue again. You remember me? Let me tell you something. If you enjoyed this video, I have a free gift just for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from the brand new Sean Vigue Fitness app. Now, all you have to do is click the link below, either in the About section or the pinned comment. It'll take you to another page. You put in your email, and boom, that video will be sent to you right away. Ooh.